In this video, we'll go 0 to 1 with Google Antigravity, from introduction to creating a project with its agent. At Antigravity.Google is hosted an IDE released by Google team, which is like an AI agent-first Visual Studio IDE. Available for Linux, Windows, and Mac. The AI agent provides a mission control surface for background agents to tackle background tasks, reducing context switching. The interface feels a bit like Manus.im project building interface. Agent can use browser and loop iteration and visual feedback for ease with responsive front ends. Communicating to users with artifacts and tasks to tackle complex tasks. For now, it has free individual plan with access to Gemini 3, Claude Sonnet 4.5, and GPT-OSS with generous rate limits. So let's go to download section, and I'll download the Linux build you do suited to yours. On Linux, repo-based support is available for Debian package-based distros and Red Hat Fedora like RPM-based distros. I'll add the yum repo details for Antigravity RPM. Do DNF make cache to update repo package lists. Then DNF install Antigravity to get the installation done. Now let's start Antigravity IDE. On first run, it'll ask for setup. I'll select Dark Editor Theme. Then AI agent behavioral options to pick and choose on how much unreviewed automated action capability you want to grant. Can be tweaked later as well. I'll customize the agent cited development option to suit a level of control. Few more configs and then using Google sign-in to finish access and setup to IDE. Can't control ± to zoom in out. Can open an existing project and dive into it. On the right is your general AI chat interface, allowing to switch models explicitly, pick and choose based on task. Comes with 2 conversation modes, planning for a deep research collaborative work, fast for agent to take quick actions for simpler tasks. As left selected in setup, it installed 7 extensions by default, all centric to Java, can install other available extensions. Say I want one for Dart and Flutter for some Flutter project fun. Now let's give our Antigravity agent a task to create a fresh project from scratch. We'll keep it easy enough, so create a new project that uses Flame Game Engine in Flutter to create a side-scroller platformer game where, when player collides with objects and animals falling and hitting it, it says random dialogues. So to begin in planning mode, it create a proper task list. I can tweak with this task list as well. Since it's in review mode, this asks me to accept few changes. Now that it's done, to verify, it triggers the app run for me as well. This project got created within .gemini directory in my home directory. It doesn't have movements and the dialogues wouldn't appear, but that is for later to collaborate on. The code does use some deprecated constructs, thankfully not defunct yet. So this was 0 to 1 of Antigravity.